A big part of learning a language is improving your listening skills. Specific practice helps, and students need to focus on improving their listening skills. This is especially important for academic listening to acquire knowledge and learn about topics. Here are a few tips we highly recommend for students, things that might help improve their listening. 1. Before listening, think about the topic. What is the context? What might the speaker be going to say, talk about? What words about the topic do you already know? What do you want to know about the topic? 2. While listening, don't try to understand every single word. Focus on important words. If possible, take notes to help your memory. 3. Relax and use the context and your knowledge to understand any words you don't know. 4. After listening, think about the text again. Have you understood the main message, the overall ideas? 5. Remember your predictions before listening? Did they come true? Review your notes and check if you completed the task successfully. 6. If you didn't understand the main points, listen again if possible. 7. Still having problems listening? Identify these problems and ask a teacher or peer for help. Thanks for listening, and good luck with your own listening.